Hey everybody, Aaron Shiner here, another how-to video for Jiggler. Really excited about today's new template release. We're going to be focusing on something for the investors in the market. Call it the Landlord Report, the Property Owner Report, whatever you'd like to call it. But the simple basis of this is a great lead generator to attract potential investors to rent out their properties through your company, or to already give clients that are renting their properties through you a better insight of actually what's happening in the marketplace. So I think we just get into it. So where you're going to find this report is in the news section. So you'll scroll down and you will find it down here, the Landlord Report. So again, how we're going to use this is as a great lead generator to anybody who's thinking about potentially renting their property out, or who is already renting their property out and they want some stats and some figures on the health of their marketplace, I guess. You know, it's give to get marketing. You're adding value, you're adding goodwill, opposed to just sending the monthly statement. So this document is really simple to digest. It's A4 and it's 4 pages. So just picture an A3 piece of paper, folded in half, printed on both sides. Okay, so I think the first thing we should do is actually just look at what's involved with this template. So as you can see, the front page, we'll come back and edit it shortly, but let's just have a look on the inside. We've got the suburb that we're specific to, so you can go ahead and change the postcode, you can change the suburb, you can even change the average rent very simply just by grabbing the bar and sliding it. And if the rent is more or less in your area, you can go ahead and change the numbers. Again, with vacancy rate, in a lot of areas it's below 2% at the moment, so you can jump in and set it at 2. And again, if you need to say where it is for your market right now, you just, with the arrows on your keyboard, just slide it across and adjust the figures accordingly. So it's really easy to edit. So you can also see there average rent for a unit in the area, and again, you can change. If you've got townhouses, you can go and grab a townhouse icon from the image library and put that in there, but easy to go and put in what the averages are for the type of properties that you rent out. And then also changes in rentals. Have prices in your area gone up in rent in the last 12 months, or have they decreased? So pretty simple at this point, right? And then this is the information that a property investor wants to know. How's their property performing? Should I be buying more properties in this area, or should I be selling properties? And this is the sort of information that they want to know. You can also include things like, you know, percentage of tenants that own pets, the most popular renting demographic, if you will. What's the age of the people? How long does it typically take to rent a property out through our agency? You can tell them your average vacancy days. You know, is that better than previous years, or is it better? And then sort of the most popular sort of property that we're looking for right now. And again, you would use this as part of your, you know, what type of properties you would ultimately like to lease out, right? And then last but not least, the back page and a message from you. So what I think I'd like to go ahead and do now is just quickly show you some keys on how you can edit this document quickly and easily. So if you don't like the word landlord, you can go and call that the investor report, and just simply by typing investor. If you don't want these colors, you might then go ahead and change it to your corporate colors by using the tool on the left hand side to change it to your custom colors. And again, you know how to insert a logo, but you might want to change the background image. You might be a more urban or city sort of you know, setting, and the beach doesn't suit you. So you can select that image on the main page, click delete, and then, you know, go up to your image tool, browse the library. I've just gone ahead and uploaded like a nighttime sort of city shot. Go ahead and insert that, right? So you can see, I'll just drag that out till it sort of fits the picture, highlight it, and then set to bottom. There you go. Right, now that doesn't really work with that color, so I might then just go ahead and change it to white, just to make sure that it really, you know, stands out, if you will. So really simple to edit, guys. Super simple. If you can use Word, you can certainly use Jiggler. It's a nice simple tool to edit, right? So there you go. I might want to go and put in my logo, so I'll delete that logo. I'll go up again to my browse my images, select from my library. I'm pretty sure I've got yeah, I do, a black and white image, or a white image. There we go, it's there. I'll drag it out, drag it up into place. So It's really simple to edit this document, guys. What I would suggest you do is get in and start having a play around with it. If you need help or you get stuck, just reach out to our live support down here, live chat. We're available to ask any questions or to get on and help you with that. And then again, it's just as simple as typing now. So there you have it, guys, the Landlord Report. Start using it as a great lead generator. Start using it to build goodwill with your existing clients, and start using it to build new potential rentals in your business. Really excited about this template. It's one for the property management department. If you're a salesperson right now watching this, make sure you show your property management department so they can start using it and getting the benefit out of Jigglar as well. Until the next new template, have a great day. List and sell. Bye for now.